And since I'm here in my room anyways, I got this. I bought it from Lemon and Lavender. It's a store that sells kitty stuff. And do you know what that is? It's a homestay. It's a nightlife actually. So nightlife is, there you go, so cute. It is actually a, when you turn off the light, and yeah, for sure a lot of people has this already. It's my first time having the nightlife. What's wrong? It's not working. Oh my god, why is it not working? Maybe like this. Oh, it work at the very bottom. So what does it do? It like when the light is off, when there's no more light, you could turn this off. Voila! That's what it is. So yeah, I thought I'd show you. Isn't it so cute? I have that now in my small little room.